Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a little one, you're definitely going to want to check out this non-slip bath mat from Mantto. This mat is the perfect size for our tub, and it's also really great not just for little ones but also for elderly ones or someone that might slip very easily. Our tub is really slippery, so the suction cups on the bottom work really great on our tub. It doesn't move at all when you walk on it. It's also a nice design. It's not an eyesore. I think it looks great in our bathroom. And I do usually hang it up to dry. That way there's no mold buildup. But something really nice about this mat is that you can actually throw it in the washer with some towels, and it does a great job at cleaning it. I usually just rinse it off on a daily basis and hang it to dry. It's also nice and cushiony, so my little one is comfortable when he sits in the tub for bath time. So if you're in the market for a bath mat, definitely check this one out from Mantto. It's great quality and the non-slip is really great. It'll definitely help your little one from slipping in the bath. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.